Okay, so I first and foremost have to apologize. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I've had quite a quite a long stretch of being sick a little bit here. Voice completely gone, and haven't really been able to do too much. But we did pick a winner for our gear giveaway, and I had done a kind of a random generator. I'm going to post it up here for you guys, but I do want to, just to show you my process for it, but I do want to congratulate Thomas H. I've got his YouTube channel up here. If you could please, Thomas, give me your address, email it to me. My email address is on the in my channel homepage about segment. You can kind of find me in there and find us a little bit about us there. But I do have my email on there. Please give me your address. I'm going to send you some gear. So thank you for bearing with me, everyone, and I appreciate everybody that contributed and subscribed for this and did all that. We really appreciate the support. And but I wanted to kind of do this live on the fly and then also show the process of how we did it so that it wasn't skewed or biased or anything. But we appreciate the support, and thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of what we love to do, making gear and videos about that. So we appreciate it again. Congratulations, Thomas H. I will hopefully be in contact with you soon. Thanks, guys.